The students were taken to two of the most beautiful design cities in the world, Paris and Milan. They were there to attend the Milan Design Week and the Salone del Mobile, which is the largest interior design exhibition in the world. It was a great experience. Paris and Milan are outstanding cities. Just walking down the streets, you feel the history that is there in those streets because they are so well conserved.
The architecture was absolutely stunning, and we got to see different types and different styles of architecture never seen before.
Especially the Gothic architecture in both Paris and Milan, it was really good, and especially the Salone del Mobile, the event.
At the end of the day, you get to experience a lot of cultures, a lot of diversity, a lot of structural dimensions and different architectural elements.
We learned so much from this trip, especially the interior and the architect. Everything was historical, so we got to know many new things from there. So yeah, it was a lovely trip.
The thing that I especially liked was the cobbling, the stones, the pavements, the roads.
The Louvre Museum was one of the best experience.
People from all over the world have displayed their works.
To me, it's like actually a life-changing moment.
It's a great initiative and a great effort put together by the entire team of Hamstech.
We had a lot of fun. At the end of the day, the whole vibe, weather, the people, everything was amazing. And the food obviously is another big factor over there.